Typically, most whole home generators are fueled by natural gas or propane. There's some out there too that are also can be fueled by fuel oil, but natural gas and propane are the predominant ones in our market. They're typically sat alongside or behind the home, connected to the fuel supply in the home and to the electric service in the home. So as part of the installation of your generator system, we also install what's called an automatic transfer switch. That switch monitors the utility power, and when it sees it's been disrupted, it signals the battery in your generator to start the generator, and within 10 seconds that switch transfers the power from the utility company to the generator, and power is restored to your home. And like all mechanical devices, certainly your whole home generator is going to need periodic maintenance. No worries, we take care of that. We have service plans available. You want to make sure that's properly maintained so that in the event of a power failure, it works. When your generator's been properly installed and it's in good operating condition, on a weekly basis, it's going to start and run for about 10 or 15 minutes. That's to keep all the seals lubricated and everything in good working order. And you can also monitor that remotely, and it'll tell you on your text message or email that, yep, my generator started and tested and everything's good. Here at Meyer Depew, we install Honeywell branded generators, and number one, we chose Honeywell because they're manufactured by Generac. And Generac is the leading manufacturer of whole home generators here in the United States. When the generator comes on, it's going to power, really important things like your sump pump, your heating system, your air conditioning, freezers, refrigerators, even less important but equally fun things like your television up and running in the event of a power failure without the need to put a portable generator outside and run extension cords all through your home. It's seamless. The power goes off, the generator comes on. The power comes back, the generator goes off. So as you can see, this is very important for your family's comfort and safety and protection. A whole house generator gives you great peace of mind knowing that you'll never be without any of those things in the event of a power failure.